Next Adventures with Hugo. Everyone out there, it's me, Hugo, and welcome to Hugo's Connects Adventures. Today, I've got a great episode for you. Yes, that's right. Free from jail, we can continue our weekly routine of awesome shows. But first, when I got out of the penitentiary, I was introduced to a program that helps people like me, after prison, get back on our feet. Set up by Chairman Yamamoto in 1954, this program is really great as it introduces people that have just got out of prison into great job opportunities that Chairman Yamamoto has set up. What you say? This man is great? Well, what you have just said is true. But now you're wondering what he's done for me. Well, I've been introduced to, you guessed it, the wonderful world of arms production. He saw my hat in episode 2 and he decided to make some modifications to it. Now instead of containing walnuts, it's a 5.56mm high-impact belt-fed minigun with a freestyle remote controller. Look at her go. This means that a small Nicaraguan army will be able to invade the coffee fields of Peru and rape some people. Well, would you look at that? We've come to the end of another amazing episode of Hugo's Connects Adventures. But first, it's time for one more thing. You know it. Yes, it's a segment that has nothing to do with anything. I love Chairman Yamamoto. I love Chairman Yamamoto. And there you go. Have a great holiday. I love Chairman Yamamoto. I love Chairman Yamamoto.